Hi guys, welcome back to this free complete WordPress masterclass. In this video, we are going to demonstrate you how to install WordPress on local computer using WAMP server. Basically, installing a WordPress on your local computer is a 5-step process. Guys, before moving forward, I request you to please click subscribe button below and hit bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos, and also like this video. Guys, we put lot of effort in creating the content, so your one like and subscribe give us a lot of motivation to keep coming up with great and amazing content. So let's move forward now. So the first step is to download the latest version of WordPress package on your local computer. To download WordPress, let's open our Google Chrome and open wordpress.org. On the right hand side, you see a Get WordPress button. Click on it. You will be redirected to the WordPress download page. Now just scroll down and you see Download WordPress 5.8.2 button. At the time of recording of this video, the stable version of WordPress is 5.8.2. You may see a different version. Anyways, click on it and you will see zip file of WordPress package is downloaded on your computer. Here you see WordPress 5.8.2 is downloaded on my computer. Next and second step, we will copy the WordPress files into the root folder of our web server. For purpose of demonstration, we will create a website for a hypothetical school. Let's say the school name is Dream School. So let's first create a root folder for Dream School in our web server folder. Go to C drive, then to WAMP64 folder, then go to www folder. Here we will create a new folder in the name of Dream School. So here is our folder name Dream School. Now come back to download folder. Here we have earlier downloaded our WordPress zip file. Now extract this WordPress zip file. Here you go. Now our WordPress zip file is extracted. Open the WordPress folder. Select all these files and copy them into the Dream School folder. So here I copied all the files. You see all the files are copied into the Dream School folder. In third step, we will create a database for our website. We will use MySQL as a database server. There are two ways to create database for your site. One is using MySQL Workbench and other one is using PHP If you are using WAMP server, then PHP is already bundled into your installation. Open your Chrome browser. Now navigate to localhost, that is your root directory. Click on PHP type in your username and password and select MySQL as server choice and click Go. Now your PHP MySQL console is open. Go to SQL tab, type in the query to create database, that is create database Dream School. We will name our database as Dream School. Now click Go and here you see your database, namely Dream School, is created. Now your database is ready to use. The first step is to configure the WordPress config file. Go to your site root directory where we have already copied all the WordPress files. You will see a PHP file having name wp-config-sample.php. Create a duplicate copy of this file. Now rename this file to wp-config.php. Open this file in Notepad. Now go to this piece of code This constant db underscore name points to database that you use for your site. Change this value to Dream School. We have already created the database, namely Dream School, in our previous step. Now the next step is to configure your database user. This db underscore user constant is the username for your db user. Type in your username. My username is root. And thirdly, configure your database password. This db underscore password stores the password of your database. Type in your password. Mine is empty. By default, for local WAMP installations, you generally have root password as empty, and press Ctrl S to save the file. Fifth step is to actually install your WordPress. Open your web browser. So I'll open Google Chrome. Type in your site URL, that is http localhost / Dream School and press enter. You will be navigated to WordPress install page like as you see. Select the language as English United States. You can select whatever language you want to select for your site and just click continue. The welcome page appears. Fill in your site title. Mine is Dream School. Then fill in your username. This username will be used to log in WordPress admin dashboard. So remember it. Let me write site admin. Then fill in the password for your user. WordPress gives you a default password, but it's best practice to use your own easily rememberable. So let me type in my password. So WordPress is saying that my password is weak, but it's okay, it's my local install. Confirm the use of weak password. Now type in your email ID. Let me see, my is hellodevelopers@gmail.com. Then keep this search engine visibility unchecked. Since it's local install, it doesn't matter whether we check or uncheck it. Now click install WordPress and wait for some time. See, a message appears that WordPress has been installed. That means our WordPress is successfully installed. Just click on login to log into your dashboard. So type in my username site admin, password was admin@123 and click login. So here you see you are redirected to your WordPress dashboard. That means our WordPress has been successfully installed on our local machine. You can actually see the live site. Click here, click on visit site. So here is our local install. So guys, this is all about how to install WordPress on your local machine using WAMP server. So do post your comments in comment box to tell us whether you have successfully been able to install the WordPress. In case you face any issues, do give us your comment in comment box so that we can able to solve it. So bye bye for now. See you in the next video.